So if you saw the service video to this, it's a Cybernet 134 set from 1981, and like the SMC Oscar 1, it has a tiny meter. We'll see if Mr. Chippie is on Mr. Mega Chippie channel. We've got Mark here this weekend, G7N DJ, so you never know, we might get some comments from him as well. Tango 21 test.
Stand by.
Roger.
Tango 21, Mr. Chippie.
Yep, Roger. Right, I'll get my extension speaker plugged in.
Roger that, let me know when you're ready.
Right, I've now got it plugged in and ready.
Yep, roger that, off we go.
Roger, Dodger.
Right, passing the house and recording.
Roger, Dodger, and on this radio there's no tone control.
Good. Yeah, there's a lot of traffic up there at the moment, but just got Mark with us today and just saying the road's closed through Ancaster, so the traffic's been diverted down here.
Yes, Roger on that. Flushing the fresh water pipes out or something.
Yeah, that's what the letter said, something like that. Right, we're coming up to the end of the lane.
Roger got you at the end of the lane.
Roger.
Service station 137.9, 146.9.
Oh yes, it's still a bit of light. We're a bit earlier than usual.
We are, yes. Shamans.
Not the same Shamans.
Not the ones that do CVs.
Not the one we know.
Right, we're now passing through Ancaster Crossroads. I'm just saying we're behind a Shamans truck, but it's not the Shamans we knew, because they're gone now, but Shamans Agricultural.
Yeah, so when I was at Nottingham Radio, we used to do some subcontract work for Bradley's radios, and they used to do the two-way radios for Shamans Agricultural. So I used to go down to their place towards Leicester and do things over.
Alright, roger that.
They got maximum PM150s with cell calls.
Right, we're now passing the top of the hill. Let's go down in towards Wilsford. Over.
We've already got you to the top of the hill.
Roger that. Chippie, we're now going round Scratchy Corner, Wilsford, over.
Roger, got your loudest tail going around Scratchy Corner at Wilsford. Tango 21 from Mr. Chippie, we're now going round Scratchy Corner, Wilsford, over.
Roger, got you loud and clear going around Scratchy Corner at Wilsford.
I'm on a Binatone Speedway. It's a Cybernet 134 chassis from 1981. It's a full forward output. I'm on a standard replacement mic over.
Yep, roger that, all received, no problems.
Roger, Dodger.
Right, we're now going out for Wilsford Level Crossing. Over.
Roger, got you going over Wilsford Level Crossing.
fair bit of water in there.
Passing the Greyleys turn in a rather battered looking van and police presence. Oh dear, and a Royal Mail van as well.
Oh, that's going to be an exciting bit of video then.
Yeah, and the police, oh it's not police, or is it? Somebody's parked up in the lay-by and I think it's Mr. Policeman.
Yes.
That's the bit we use.
Yes.
Roger that, so I'll just pull to the side.
Roger.
Go 21 from Mr. Chippie, we're now at the 5 mile point.
Okay, this one got you at the 5 mile point. So I'm on this Binatone Speedway from 1981 using the Cybernet 134 chassis, doing full forward output and drawing 1.2 amps in doing so. I'm on a standard replacement mic and I've set the low power to 400 milliwatts. Here we go on low power, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Now we're on low power. Ready now drawing 530 milliamps to deliver 400 milliwatts. We now go back to full power. There we are back on full power over.
Yep, roger that, all received, no problems.
No, very good set. Off you go when you're ready.
Roger that, we might have to go further in than we usually do because I'd better find somewhere in front of these. I'm not going to do a 3-point turn in front of these 2 cop cars.
Roger, Dodger.
There we go. That door locked.
Right, we're on the move again.
Roger, Dodger.
Turn around, do you?
we managed to turn around, so we're back on the way back out.
Roger, people, got this.
Unmarked police car, I think. And
One is.
and then the one's a marked car. So.
Kind of surprised they haven't come to see what we're up to.
Yeah, well. So Nissan Leaf, unmarked BMW, and a post office van.
Yeah, okay. Bit more footage for the test today. Bit of excitement. Tango 21 from Mr. Chippie. We're now going over Rshireby level crossing. Over. Yep, 142.9 and 148.9, so I think that's changed slightly today.
Yes, roger that one. We're absolutely fine. Thanks very much.
Yep, roger that. 10-10.
Okay. Hello, 21 from Mr. Chippie. We're now going over Rshireby level crossing. Over.
Roger got you going over raw speed level crossing. And you should have a petrol price for me because they will be open over.
Yep, 142.9 and 114.9, so I think that's changed slightly today.
Yep, Roger on that artwork, absolutely fine. Thanks very much.
Yep, roger that.
10-10. Okay, and that did it work great. So we'll go over to our base station, see what it sounds like. I expect it's going to sound like any other Cybernet 134 set.
Transform testing the Binatone Speedway into our Midland 76900 base station. Testing 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Pop it on low power, the home test, but it won't do anything. There we go on low power, testing 1, 2, 3. And there we are back on full power. So we've got some repairs in, and then we've got a Midland 48, the one with the meter which always fails. We've got another Midland. Oh yeah, the 104 GTO, you don't see many of those. It's not like the fairy lights there. And then I think we've got some scraps that we have